Hello and welcome back to Connor's Crypto Trading. In this video, we're going to be talking about Casper, its short-term upside targets and short-term downside targets, as well as long-term upside targets. Well, since the last video, we have made a new low. We went all the way down to around 1.8 cents. 1.85 cents. And since then, we have gone up roughly 20%. Now, I will say if we cannot hold a weekly close above 2.2 cents, we are looking to further downside targets. Your next target to the downside is at 1.5 cents. When it breaks 1.8, it will go down to 1.5. From where we're at, down to 1.5 cents, it's roughly 30%. Now that is a very big discount. So I would not be buying too much at this price, as it is looking like the same pattern we made back in May. We went up, we failed to break above prior resistance and hold up there, so we went down. Now we've come up a little bit, but it is looking like we will have one more low. If we don't, then that's pretty lucky. Not lucky for anybody else who's trying to buy pretty low, but everybody's holding or who bought higher than where it's at, they definitely want it back at where they bought. Let's switch over to Bitcoin. Now, the main reason why we're going down is because of Bitcoin. I did say we were at when we were at 66,000 or so. I said we could come down to 63, and it actually broke that. And now we went all the way down to about 58,000. Had about a $2,000 bounce. And if we can't get a weekly close, meaning Sunday's close, if Sunday's close is not at 65,000 or higher, we are looking for further downside for Bitcoin and the entire crypto market. And your next targets to the downside for Bitcoin, when it breaks 56,000, it can come down to 53. If it breaks 53, it can come down to 50 to as low as 49,000, and that's sitting right on the macro 618. And right now we're testing the 786, and if it breaks that, it will go down, or at least halfway down to the 618, and that will be a huge dump for the altcoins. So, if it does hold, the next targets to the upside are the 786, which is at 2.3 cents, and that's roughly 10% from where we're at. Next target after that is the 618, that's roughly 40%. And that is at 3 cents. Next target after that is the 0.5, and that's at 3.5 cents, and that's 65 or 60.5%. Next target is the 382, that's at 4 cents, and that's roughly 80%. And your next target after that is the 236, and that is at 4.5 cents, and that's 108.5%. Now if it gets over 6 cents, 6.5 cents, your next target is the macro 236, and that is at 7.3 cents. And that's 240%. After that is the macro 382, and that is at 10 cents, and it's almost 400%. Now your highest short-term target is 13 cents, and that's at the 0.5. That's 512%. Now, I wouldn't be expecting those targets till at least around October, and your long-term upside targets are $1 to as high as $4 to $5. From where we're at, $1 is about a 47x. Let's get it right on it. 46x. $2 is roughly a 93x. $3 is roughly 138x. $4 is roughly 186x. And $5 is roughly a 232x. And again, I wouldn't be expecting $1 to $5 until the spring of 2025 to the fall of 2025. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your night or day.